So this is the stealthiest, most luxurious, most unique van ever built on YouTube. It has a built-in bar right in the rear lounge. What's unique? This is the uniqueness of the van. Look at this nice ceiling with the LED accent lights. Another unique feature, surround view security camera. The rear lounge also has a bunk bed system that can accommodate 4 people, maybe more. We have the pantry that goes from the roof to the floor. It's a full shower that you can stand in, as well as a working cassette toilet. So the van doesn't just have one lounge, it has 2 lounges. The front lounge can also be turned into a bedroom that can accommodate 2 people or 3. Please like this video. Be sure to come back for more full van tour video coming next week. Stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. See you then.